Voltage, current, and resistance work together to control every electrical component we use. The mathematical relationship between these three factors is described in a formula known as Ohm's law. The formula can be stated in three ways. E equals I times R. I equals E over R. And R equals E over I. Mathematically, Ohm's law can be stated as E over I times R, where E equals volts, I equals amps, and R equals resistance. Finding a missing value is really very easy. By covering the quantity you are looking for, you can find the answer. If a 12-volt battery is attached to a lamp that has 6 ohms of resistance, how many amps of current will flow? To answer this, look at the Ohm's law chart. We're looking for current. Remember, I is used to indicate current. Just cover the I and do what the formula tells you. 12 volts divided by 6 ohms equals 2 amps. If the example had been to find the resistance in this same circuit, you would have used 12 volts divided by 2 amps equals 6 ohms. Finally, to find the voltage, 2 amps times 6 ohms equals 12 volts. While these formulas will give you exact values, the most important thing to remember is the relationship between the three. Since current is influenced by voltage and resistance, a change in either or both may change how a component operates. For example, if the headlights on an automobile are very dim, it could be either high resistance in a circuit or low voltage, or both. High resistance could be caused by several factors, such as a loose, dirty, or defective wire or connector. Or low voltage could be caused by a partially discharged or defective battery. Another term used in the electrical circuit is the watt. The watt is the relationship of voltage and current. It is a unit of power or work that can be done with a circuit and uses the symbol P for power in electrical equations. A watt is equal to current times the voltage in a circuit. For example, in a 12-volt circuit with 2 amps of current flowing, the wattage would be 24 watts. 2 times 12 equals 24. A good way to remember this formula is to remember the common dessert, pi. P equals I times E.